Hey everyone, welcome back. So, if you have got bored by creating this type of normal QR code and now you want to create more attractive and colorful art generated QR code like this, and that is with the help of AI tools, then this video is all about for you. Okay, so for that, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and here you have to search for Just.ai. Okay, then this is the first link, that is Just AI generative AI product photos, right? So just click on it and make it open. Then it will take you to the home page of Just.ai. Okay, so this is the home page of Just.ai website. All right. Then in the right hand top corner, you can see we have options called as the try our artistic QR code. Okay. And if you want to create a artistic QR code, then you have to click on this. But before that, you have to click on this sign up button and you have to log in with this website. Okay. So let me click on this sign up tab. Then click on sign in with Google. Then select the account. And after login, you have to click on this try our artistic QR code. Okay. Then it will take you to this particular page. Got it? And in the right hand side, you can see these are the sample QR code that they have created using this art. Okay. So now we will see how we can create this type of QR code using this just.ai tools. Okay. And in the below part, we have four different options. First is URL, then prompt, then QR code size, and upload reference image. Okay. So now suppose I want to create a artistic QR code for my YouTube channel, that is Milestone Creator. Okay. So first of all, you have to copy this link from here. Then go to this website and here we have to paste that URL. Okay. Then the next is prompt options, right? So here you can see the simple language, what type of QR code you want to create. So suppose I want to create a QR code with colorful kingfisher bird. Okay, so you have to write anything over here, whatever comes to your mind. All right. And suppose if you don't know what you have to write on this, then you have to simple click on this magic prompt. Okay, so it will automatically generate different type of prompt over here. Again click on it, it will again create a new prompt. Okay, every time whenever you will click on this magic prompt, it will automatically generate a prompt over here. Got it? The next option is QR code size. So you have to adjust the size from here. Suppose I want to increase the size up to this. Okay, the next is upload a reference image, and this is completely optional. Reference image means one image which will be followed by just.ai during creating this artistic QR code. Okay, so it's completely optional. If you want, you can put it, otherwise let it be. Okay, the next is you have to click on this create tab, but before that you have to again click on this login options and you click on this sign in with Google. Then select the account, and now here you can see this create tab has enabled, right? So just click on this create tab and it will take few seconds, so just wait for that. And it's done, right? So this is the artistic QR code that you got for your YouTube channel, right? So if you want to download this QR code, so just click on it, then you can download it from here. Okay, and here you can see we have successfully downloaded this image, right, in PNG form. Correct. So in this way, you can easily enter the URL over here. Then here you have to enter the prompt in simple English language. Okay. Then next is if you will click on this create tab, then automatically this just.ai website will create a art QR code for you. Okay. So these are the different types of QR code that I have created before. Okay. So anyone from this QR code, if you want to download that, then you can easily download from here. Then after downloading the QR code, if you want to use that QR code somewhere else and you want to apply some more realistic things on that, so again you have to click on this just.ai. Okay, then it will again take you to the home page of just.ai. All right, and now if you want to create a this type of image using that QR code, then that also you can do very easily. For that you have to click on this try it out. Okay, then again you have to sign in with this, and after that you can get this type of page over here. Okay, the next is if you want to apply some more realistic things on your QR code, then first of all you have to click on this click or drop image, or if you have already image or something like that like QR code. Okay, then you can easily drag this and you have to drop it out here. Okay, Then here you can see it's uploading, so just wait for a few seconds and it's done, right? And now I want to create a key ring by using this QR code. So how can I do that? For that, first of all, you have to click on this, then automatically it will add over here. Then the next options here is prompt, right? So just click on this plus icon. Then here you have to write like QR code with key ring, okay? And just copy the same thing and paste it over here and click on this generate. And here you can see, as for the prompt that we have given, this website created different key along with our QR code, right? So if you will scan this, then also you can get the link of my YouTube channel, that is Milestone Creator, okay? Same way, here you can see these are the different product, and for this product this website has created the background, okay, as per the prompt that they have given, okay? And remember one thing, whenever you are going to change the background of any particular QR code or any object, its background should be transparent one, okay? Otherwise, it will not able to change the background of this particular product, okay? That's why first of all, you have to make the product as transparent. Then you can load this image over here and you can change the background of this particular object by writing the prompt over here, okay? So as per my opinion, this is the best website by the help of which we can create the artistic QR code. And after creating that QR code, we can easily change the background of this QR code or any images that may be, okay, by the help of this AI tools. So this is all about these websites. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.